Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into a Bratz doll on CapCut. So you do have to go to, I went to TikTok first and I searched for Bratz filter, and then here there's going to be a CapCut try this template. So you're just going to select this. Yes, this is a pro feature, but you're going to select use template in CapCut and it's going to bring you to CapCut. So this is what the video will look like. Again, if you choose to use it, you'll have to select the pro feature. So this is the before. Okay, I can't turn it. This is the before and that's the after. You're just going to select use template. You're going to upload your photo and that's pretty much it. Really, I can't show you because I don't have CapCut Pro, but that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.